Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about central, vertex, foci of the ellipse. So now I will show you the answer. We need to put negative 8x near to 4x squared. We have y squared plus 4y. This one they missing about positive number 4. This one they missing positive number 4 because we have two number 4 in here. We need to negative number 8 and another negative number 8 from here. So this one we have 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. This one we got about y plus 2 everything to the power of 2. Negative number 8, you got about negative number 16. So you put number 16 in here. Later that we divide both sides with number 16. And we got this one is about s minus 1 to the power of 2 over 4. This one we got about y plus 2 everything to the power of 2 divided to 16 equals to number 1. Now we can find the center in here. The center of the ellipse, that should be about positive number 1, negative number 2. Now we go to find the vertex. So we have number 4, we change for 2 square. Number 16, we change for number 4 square. This is about A. This is about B. So the vertex of this ellipse we have, I will put about vertex number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. We have number 2 in here, that's related to S. So we just put number 1 plus 2, you got about 3 minus number 2. Number 1 minus number 2, you got about negative number 1, negative number 2. Similar for the next one. This is about number 4. We add more number 4 for negative number 2. You got about 1, 2. Later that we minus number 4. So we got about 1, negative number 6. So we just finished about vertex. Now let's go to find foci. We see that B is bigger than A. So we know that if B is greater than A, the foci will be on the y-axis. So we can find C squared equal to B squared minus A squared. So that should be about 4 squared minus 2 squared. And we got about number 12. We put the square root in the both sides. And we got about 2 multiplied with the square root of number 3. Because the foci on y-axis. So we will have 2 focis in here. The first one I put about D number 1 because we have C is about center in here. I put D number 1 and D number 2. So on the on the y-axis, so we need to should have the same value of s equal to number 1. So we have 2 multiplied with the square root of number 3 in here. So we have negative number 2. We minus about 2 multiplied with the square root of number 3. And negative number 2 plus 2 multiplied with the square root of number 3. And that is the answer for about foci. Now let's go to the second one. We have to find the focus, directrix, and vertex of the parabola. So I will show you the answer. We need to find first the derivative of the function. You got about negative number 1. First the derivative of s squared. You got about 1 over 2 multiplied with 2s. And this one you got about negative s. We put first the derivative of the function equal to number 0. So we got about s equals to negative number 1. We put s equal to negative number 1, go back to this function in here. And we got about positive number 1. And we can say the vertex of this one is about negative number 1, positive number 1. This is s, this is y. Now we need to find about the directrix and focus. We know that coefficient is about negative, so I will draw the diagram in here. So that the directrix is over the parabola, the focus is in here. So everything is about negative number 1. So to find out the directrix, we just put about 1 minus, because coefficient is about negative, we minus about this one, 1 over 4a. A is about coefficient of s squared. We got about 3 over 2. So the directrix of this one is about y equals to 3 over 2. About the focus, we just put about only y in here. So we have 1 plus 1 over 4a. We got about 1 over 2. So the point of focus, that should be about negative number 1, 1 over 2. And this is the answer for the question in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.